Hello students, today we will learn how to format a presentation. The slide master is an element of a template that stores information including font styles, placeholder sizes, position of text and objects, bullet styles, background design and color schemes. Slide master sets the default layout and formatting for all other slides. It actually controls an entire presentation. Any changes made in the slide master page automatically reflects on every slide in the presentation. Slide master consists of two placeholders: slide title placeholder, body text placeholder. Slide title placeholder. It is the first placeholder for the title of the page. You can move the title placeholder anywhere on a slide. Body text placeholder. This placeholder includes general objects like text with bullets, charts, pictures and many more. Each slide master contains one or more standard or custom sets of layouts. Let's learn how to work with slide master now. To open the slide master view, click on the slide master button in the master views group on the view tab. The presentation will switch to slide master view and the slide master tab will be selected on the ribbon. In the left navigation pane, scroll up and select the first slide. This is the slide master. In slide master view, each slide below the slide master is a master slide for a supporting layout. For example, if you want to make changes to all the slides that use title and content layout, select the title and content layout master slide in the pane. To check this information, just hover the mouse pointer over any slide layout in the slide master task pane and read the screen tip. Click on the Themes button in the Edit Theme group on the Slide Master tab and select the desired theme from the displayed list. Select the Fonts button to change the font style and Colors button to change the color of selected theme. Observe the changes. Click on the Background Styles button in the Background group on the Slide Master tab. Select the required background from the drop-down menu. To change the text color, click on the Home tab. Select the text and then click on the font color in the font group. Select any font color from the drop-down menu. The Change Font Color will appear in all the slides in the Slide Master task pane on the left. Likewise, you can apply different formatting changes on slides with a specific layout. Remember that text on the master slide is used only for styling. The text on actual slides such as titles and lists should be typed in normal view. To enter and edit the header and footer contents, click on the Header and Footer button in the text group on the Insert tab. Click on the Close Master View button present on the Slide Master tab to close the Slide Master view. Okay, let us learn how to create a new custom layout. If you do not find a standard layout that suits your needs, you can create a custom layout that perfectly suits your slide content. You can customize that layout by adding text-specific and object-specific placeholders. Follow these steps. Click on the View tab. Select the Slide Master button in the Master Views group. Choose the blank layout slide from the displayed list present in the Slides Master task pane. To remove any unwanted or default placeholders such as header, footer or the date and time, click on the border of the placeholder, then press the Delete key. To add a placeholder on the Slide Master, click on the Insert Placeholder drop-down arrow in the Master Layout group. Select a placeholder from the list according to your need. Drag the mouse on the slide to position the new placeholder. You can resize a placeholder by dragging one of its resizing handles. Right-click on the selected layout thumbnail and select the Rename Layout option from the context menu. In the Rename Layout dialog box, type a new name that describes the new layout you have customized. Click on the Rename button. Click on the File tab and select the Save As option. Browse the location from the Save As window. The Save As dialog box appears. Type a file name in the File Name box. In the Save As type list, select the PowerPoint template and then click on Save option. Click on Close Master View button. The layout that you added and customized now appears in the list of standard built-in layouts in normal view, located on the Home tab in the Slides group. Students note the fact you can also rename any layout using the Rename button present in the Edit Master group on the Slide Master tab. Let us learn how to change color scheme now. Every presentation comes with color schemes. You can change the color scheme of complete presentation or a single slide. The colors of specific elements on a slide such as title and background can also be changed. Open any slide of a presentation. Click on the Design tab, go to the Themes group. As you hover the mouse over any theme, it is reflected on the slide. Left-click on the theme that you want to apply to all the slides, or right-click on the selected theme. A shortcut menu appears. Select the Apply to All Slides option. The theme will be applied to all slides. Click on More drop-down arrow in the Variant group and select the Colors option. Choose the desired color scheme. To apply the color scheme to all the slides, right-click on the color scheme and select the Apply to All Slides option. In case you want to apply the color scheme only to the selected slide, then select the Apply to Selected Slides option. Okay, let us learn how to change background color. You can change the background color, pattern and texture of a slide. Click on the Format Background button present in the Customize group on the Design tab. The Format Background task pane will appear as shown in the figure. Select any fill style option from the displayed list under the Fill section. Click on the Color button. If you want to select a different color apart from the displayed color, select the More Colors option from the list. The Colors dialog box appears. Click on the Standard tab and choose the color you want. You can also select the Custom tab and create your own color scheme. Click OK. Click on the Apply to All tab to apply the color scheme to all the slides. Click on the Close button to close the Format Background task pane. Also note the fact that we can insert a table in a slide by clicking on the Table option on the Insert tab. A menu will appear. Drag the mouse over the table grid to select the number of columns and rows you want in the table. Let us find out how to insert a Smart Art graphic. Smart Art is a graphics tool that allows you to present data or information with graphics instead of using text. These graphics help in conveying our ideas and messages easily and effectively. It contains a variety of graphical layouts like pyramids, list, hierarchy, matrix, etc. to display data in a presentation. To insert Smart Art in a slide, select the title and content layout. Choose the Insert a Smart Art graphic icon present on the slide. The Choose a Smart Art graphic dialog box appears. Select a category on the left, for example hierarchy, and choose the desired layout like organization chart on the right side. Then click OK. A blank organization chart will appear on the slide. You will also find Design and Format tabs with layouts and Smart Art styles. Now click inside the box in the Smart Art graphic to add text to it. Add text at different levels and delete the unwanted box. You can change the color scheme of the Smart Art graphic by selecting the Change Colors drop-down arrow in the Smart Art Styles group under the Design tab of Smart Art Tools. Okay, let us learn how to insert a table. PowerPoint provides additional features to organize the information in a tabular format. A table in a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. It is very useful in organizing and representing the data in an effective manner. To insert a table, select the title and content layout slide in a presentation. Click on the Insert Table icon present on the slide. The Insert Table dialog box will appear. Define the number of columns and rows and click OK. A new table will be displayed according to the defined rows and columns. Place the mouse pointer in the first cell of the table and type heading. Press the Tab key. Similarly, insert data for other cells in the table using the Tab and arrow keys or clicking in the required cell. Let me share that the intersection of row and column in a table is called cell. Students know that to apply table effects, select the rows or columns. In the Table Tools, click on the Design tab, then go to Effects in the Table Styles group. Another inserting fact to note is that when you insert a table, a new tab, Table Tools, appears. You will find various tools and commands present in the Design and Layout tab, such as Table Styles, Shading, Borders, Effects, Word Art Styles, Draw Borders, etc. These tools are helpful while formatting a table in a slide. Okay, let us find out how to insert charts now. Chart is an effective way to display data in a graphical and pictorial form. Charts make it easier to show comparisons and growth, relationship among the values and trends in data. Charts provide an accurate analysis of the information. Click on the Insert Chart icon on the slide from the title and content layout. The Insert Chart dialog box appears. Select the chart type in the left pane and the subtypes of the selected chart will be reflected on the right pane. Select the column chart and click OK. The chart will be displayed with the data sheet that contains the default data. You can replace the default data with your own data. To delete all the data from the data sheet, move the mouse pointer to the blank button at the upper left corner of the column indicators. The mouse pointer changes into a large plus sign of white color. Click on the button. The entire data sheet will be selected. Press the Delete key. Click the cell beneath column B, that is B1. Type Jan. Press the Tab key. Type Feb. Press the Tab key. Type March and press the Enter key. Click the cell adjacent to the Rows 2 header, that is A2. Type Food. Press the down arrow key. Type Water Bill. Press the down arrow key and type Rent and then Electricity Bill in the next row. Click the cell B2 and type 800. Press the Tab key and type 850. Similarly, type the entire data as shown in the figure. As you enter the data, the chart gets plotted automatically. To close the data sheet, click on the Close button to the title bar of the data sheet. Students know that we can also insert a chart in any slide by using the Chart button present on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group. Also note the fact that when you insert a chart, the three new tabs Design, Layout and Format containing various chart tools and commands appear on the ribbon. These commands allow you to modify and format the chart. Another important point is that you can insert screenshot in a presentation by clicking on the Insert tab and then selecting the Screenshot button from the Images group. Students, let's go through the recap of this chapter. Slide Master sets the default layout and formatting for all other slides. Slide Master consists of two placeholders: Slide Title Placeholder, Body Text Placeholder. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. It is very useful in organizing and representing the data in an effective manner. Chart is an effective way to display data in a graphical and pictorial form. SmartArt is a graphics tool that allows you to present data or information with graphics instead of just using text.